In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell height and width in Google Sheets. We'll be walking through two straightforward methods that you can use to adjust the dimensions of your cells, which is especially handy for those looking to customize the layout of their spreadsheet for improved readability or presentation. First, let's begin by opening up a Google Sheet. Assuming you have your Google account logged in, navigate to Google Sheets on your browser and open your document, or create a new one if you prefer, starting fresh. Once your sheet is up, you'll see columns designated by letters and rows by numbers. Now, for our first method, place your mouse pointer at the boundary between the column headings. You will notice that when the pointer is correctly positioned, it changes into a double-sided arrow. This is your cue to click and hold the left mouse button, then drag it to the left or right to adjust the width of that column to your desired size. Release the mouse button once you're satisfied with the new width. Repeat this process by placing your mouse pointer between the row headings. Again, click and drag up or down until you've achieved the desired row height. Moving on to our second method, this one involves using the right-click context menu, which provides you with more precise control over row and column sizes. Start by right-clicking directly on the column heading you wish to resize. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. Select Resize Column. A dialog box will appear where you can manually type in the width value you desire for that column, a useful feature if you require exact measurements for your data presentation. Once you've entered your value, click OK to apply the change. Similarly, if you wish to customize a row, right-click its heading. Again, you'll get a menu from which you should select Resize Row. Just like with columns, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to enter a specific height value for your row. Click OK to confirm, and the change should immediately reflect in your sheet. These two methods allow you to either quickly adjust cell sizes via dragging or by setting precise values through input boxes. The dragging method is excellent for quick adjustments and visual approximation, while the right-click method offers precision. That's it for today, a simple yet effective way to tailor your Google Sheets to better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.